Hi friend, this is Dr. Apoorv Mehra. Way back 12 months back, when I thought of something which we all know by a name called a conceptual orthopedics, I didn't know that this baby will turn out to be a beautiful princess and a giant. Strongly built on the hard work of foundation of the teachers who have almost outlived the history of orthopedics in this nation, probably in the world. You are a student throughout a life because life teaches you every day, so keep learning. And our leader, the lion in the front, fired the rocket with a statement: conceptual orthopedics, the learning never ends. This app, an e-learning platform, has been built for anybody who is learning or teaching orthopedics or is interested in orthopedics. We started on 2nd April 2020 into the world with 100 videos, about similar number of notes. And just to show what we have, we started showing a video every week for anybody who downloads the app. We started doing some webinars and we kept on building some surgical videos. The small baby turning into a beautiful princess, which is also a giant today, has about 550 videos, about 500 notes, about 50 videos for people to assess what we have and also to benefit the quality, because not everybody understands this word but does dream of getting in touch with it. You can just get in the app, it becomes more tech friendly, and more importantly, we added something more to it, the FRCS course and the experienced teachers creating a wonderful show in front of our subscribers. What does it give you? Conceptual orthopedics will give you the legendary professors, will give you more than 300 years of experience amongst them, and will give you an area where your education, your knowledge can be leveled out to anybody irrespective of which college or which city you belong to. It has got notes which are concise and more importantly of the topics which are rare. You have to read many books to get hold of one page of such notes. They are ready for you to take. There are huge number of videos with integrated notes which go hand in glove. Read a topic, you learn something. Watch a video, you learn something. You do both, you learn more. So here 1 plus 1 is not 2, it's 11. And if a student is wise enough to realize it, even sky is not the limit to which he can pull his career off. This is national stage, which is of the international standards. So the international teachers joined us without any effort. When you create something good, the competition is there. But when you create something outstanding, a lot of people will join you because the final aim is a better you, is a better orthopedic surgeon, is a better surgeon to take care of the patients in a better way. Conceptual Orthopedics is an app with videos. But if we as doctors were careful enough to build our career on this plan, that you have a book, you read it. But that inertia, that momentum has to be there for a person to imbibe and grow. So, to do that, we had some tickling stimulants called as the live sessions. Our teachers from their home will knock on your doors through your computers or your phones and say, hello, get up, let's read ortho. Going to increase your knowledge with the question banks, questions. Within the app, it also prepares you for the world stage of any competitive exam linked or in orthopedics. The different courses are getting aligned with us. We have surgery demonstrations, which teaches you when to operate, more importantly, when not to operate, how to do it, and what not to do. Because your success goes with you, but your complications, they point at you and they halt you. It will make you better in terms of academic knowledge, clinical, rational decision making, better surgical competency. All three prongs to make a better you, as I just told. There are case discussions preparing you for MS, DNB exams. The examiners, they grill you. They get you ready. So on that day, when you appear, you have no anxiety. As beautifully said, whatever exists in the world of orthopedics, you will find here. But what you find here, you might not find anywhere. So this is a class which is absolutely a class apart. It gives you a guidance. We are not in a barter system where you pay and you take lectures. We are caregivers. We are there not only to be your mentors, to help you decide, but remember one learning, as Professor Tully told, knowledge will keep on growing, but it's the responsibility of a teacher to provide wisdom. To utilize that knowledge is just like money. You must learn to utilize it to grow rather than keeping it and not working for you. That's how your knowledge should make you better, not in terms of your counterparts, but for your patients, because our patients are our future. Daily Pearls, again the same point, stimulate regular updates with the recent advances. You don't have to keep looking in the journal with the impact factors. Rather, we will do it for you and present it on a platter. But then, finally, you should be ready to eat it. And then, you have a chat box to reach to us. We are introducing Conceptual Connect, where it is two-way communication with the teacher. He teaches, he asks, you answer. You ask, he answers. This keeps on going twice a week. We have weekend live sessions by the Dr. Shailesh Pai going on right now. And I am very happy that finally in the education world, we have people logging on to these sessions and interacting. We have an anatomy video by my dear friend, Dr. Rajesh Kaushal. You know, a good person can get a smile on your face, but a good person with a great teacher will fill your life with laughters. This is what this man is. Connect with me so that you can trouble me. Till now, in 9 months, I stay not so troubled. But make sure you trouble your brother to ask more and more things, to provide you with more and more talks, and myself give you more and more lectures. Social media quizzes. Social media quizzes weekly progress reports, they are all a part and parcel of our new updated version, which is available both on Android and iOS now. When you look at the Conceptual Connect or the Friday live sessions, they are being loved by the students because they are interactive sessions and they allow you for a live question and answer discussions. Many times we take up a case, many times we take up your case. So if you feel there's something interesting for us, send us. We will make sure we make it a part of our journey. Anatomy videos, as already told, are something that you wanted and have been provided by. This is what I said. I am not troubled to the extent which I want to be. I am just there on the corner. I have given you my WhatsApp number for conceptual. You have the email shooting at me. Make sure that I reply to them. Social media quizzes have received an encouraging engagement, and I believe that more and more people getting into it will come to the app, which has so much happening that I'm sure through the app you will learn what you have not tasted or what you might not have thought exist in the academic orthopedic world, in the surgical orthopedic training, in the international orthopedic education. When we look at what we are doing every week or every month, does it stimulate you that we put about 50 notes and 35 videos in a month? So our average is more than one per day. Just want to tell you, putting up a video in front of the academic level that you people will finally attain with the hands of the legends like Professor S.M. Tuli, Professor Anil Dhal, Professor Sudhir Kumar, Dr. Ravinder Dimri, Professor Heko Graichen, Professor V.B. Bhasin, Professor Gopa Kumar, Professor Shantaram Shetty. They require tireless efforts. It's not something they will come and speak for 45 minutes. Trust me, it is a hard work of many hours, but experience of decades put in together into a crux. It's just like 10 oranges will produce a glass of juice. You have to be ready to take the glass. It's being served on the app to you. Some recommendations for you to understand what we have built. Look at this video by Professor Anil Dhal. Have you ever thought of upper limb discrepancy? Even thought of? And that is what our teachers bring to you. A discrepancy in the upper limb length. Imagine you get this case in the exam. Look, if I would have got when I was doing my residency, boom. But now, a video like this, shot and produced by ex-director professor of MAMC, Delhi, something different. This is not just a class, it is something which is a class apart. Similarly, a video, imagine being into Delhi or Patna or Lucknow, visualizing on your phone the operation theatre right in Germany. This is what the app gets you. Don't you think you are entering the operation theatre with Professor Graichen? This is what conceptual orthopedic means. Bringing the best to you to bring the best in you. This is what you need to understand. Similarly, polytrauma. You know, even the definition of this word has been jumbled up, has been troubling you. But I can tell you, I can vouch upon it. Dr. Shailesh Pai and the way he builds up a topic and the way he takes up trauma is unparalleled, not only in my nation, but on Mother Earth. I swear, The way this man does it can only be done by a person who's passionate about things. It's only knowledge that can get you to a stage, but it's only passion that gets you to the next stage. Listen to him, interact with him over the weekends. We are serving it on a platter. You will love him. Similarly, the gait cycle. How often I wonder, in spite of doing orthopedics 13 years back, when I saw Professor Gopakumar teach the topic of gait, I realized what these legends are made of. The team is not milled by individual excellence. The excellence is the team in itself. They are all united towards a cause. And I'm repeating it for the fourth time. The cause is to bring out the best in you so that tomorrow, after 13 years of doing residency, like me, you don't feel that you still need to learn gait, which is a basic thing, asked in every viva of every exam in the world. Even in the recent OSCE of DNB, they had shown a gait and asked you to pick up what gait is this, normal gait or pathological. Two talks are there by this guy who's just amazing. Cartilage. Even this topic, do you remember to study that? And imagine a guy who has been recognized as the finest teacher by FRCS UK walks on to our studio in Delhi. Let me build this basic science for my students. It is a small group of highly committed people who are trying to change everything in the world as far as orthopedic knowledge is concerned, or maybe beyond. Look at the notes. Look at the diagrams we are building. Acetabular fractures will be 70 pages in Campbell. Imagine doing it in 12 pages. Similarly for DDH, 110 pages in Campbell's. Tazian, what more books you have to read? Imagine reading them in 15 pages. Impact factor. Did you even read it? And you know that any article is published based on the impact factor of a journal. And then, what about a short note on impact factor? The rare topics, the difficult topics have been simplified, reproducible, so that when you write down, you have a concept of doing things. TB, the national disease, the recent guidelines, everything is served to you. UKR, not only the notes, the UKR classical way and the UKR Professor Heiko Greichin technique with the computers is something which is unparalleled. When you make something with a heart, appreciation gives you more energy. What we started with a dream turned into a reality. And if the reality is as beautiful as a dream, you actually feel elated about. The group of people in conceptual orthopedics are aligned with one cause, and the cause is to improve the academic level of this branch worldwide. If you look at what our subscribers feel about us, I love you, sir. You are one of the best teachers of orthopedics. Love is one of the purest emotion of mankind, and it is the strongest too. If a student loves the teacher, it tells what level of education is being created here. You go to iOS, you go to Play Store, you will be happy that your own made in India product is shining across the boundaries. People are not only getting engaged into it, but they feel that it is taking their knowledge to the next level. What's in future? If you do not innovate, if you do not evolve, you perish. So we are ready with new initiatives, more engagement on the social platforms, trying to create the gupshups, the conceptual gupshups as a podcast with our leading faculties, trying to organize the quiz on Instagram to test your knowledge and to award you, monthly or weekly newsletters, Instagram or Facebook live sessions, so that wherever you go, you feel there is some part of knowledge you gain. And then, if you feel there is something our team can do, get back to us. We are listening. Our email ID is help@conceptualorthopedics.com. This is just the beginning. More is yet to come. We are thinking every minute to grow. I wish that we are able to serve you better. Thank you very much.